Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hey there, in this video, we're continuing our discussion on why your gears might be slipping when you accelerate. In part 1, we covered the possible causes, and now we'll dive into the solutions. Let's jump right in. Solutions and repairs for gear slipping. When your car's gears slip, it's not something you can ignore. There are several solutions and repairs to consider, each targeting a different part of the transmission system. Let's look at some effective ways to fix this issue. Replacing clutch plates. Worn-out clutch plates are a common cause of gear slipping. Replacing them can lead to better gear performance and smoother driving. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Gather tools and parts. You'll need a new clutch kit, wrenches, and a jack. 2. Raise the vehicle. Use the jack to lift your car safely. 3. Remove the transmission. Disconnect the transmission from the engine. 4. Take out the old clutch. Remove the old clutch plates and inspect the flywheel. 5. Install the new clutch. Place the new clutch plates and align them correctly. 6. Reattach the transmission. Secure the transmission back to the engine. Benefits of replacing clutch plates. Improved performance. You'll notice smoother gear shifts. Increased lifespan. New clutch plates can last years if maintained properly. Better fuel efficiency. A non-slipping clutch can improve fuel economy. Flushing and replacing transmission fluid. Old or dirty transmission fluid can also cause gear slipping. Flushing and replacing the fluid can restore proper gear function. Here's how to do it. 1. Warm up the engine. This helps the fluid flow out easily. 2. Locate the transmission pan. Find and remove the transmission drain plug. 3. Drain the old fluid. Let all the old fluid drain out into a pan. 4. Flush the system. Pour in a transmission fluid cleaner and run the engine briefly. 5. Replace the fluid. Pour new transmission fluid into the system. Benefits of fresh transmission fluid. Smoother shifts. Clean fluid helps gears engage smoothly. Temperature control. Fresh fluid helps keep the transmission cool. Prevents wear. Reduces friction and wear on transmission parts. Repairing or replacing damaged gears. If the gears or synchronizers within your transmission are damaged, you'll need to either repair or replace them. Here's a simplified guide. 1. Inspect the transmission. Look for signs of wear or damage. 2. Disassemble the transmission. This step is best left to professionals, as it can be complex. 3. Replace damaged parts. Swap out damaged gears or synchronizers for new ones. 4. Reassemble the transmission. Ensure everything is correctly aligned and tightened. Benefits of fixing damaged gears. Restored functionality. Properly meshing gears ensure smooth operation. Reduced noise. Eliminates grinding sounds during shifts. Longevity. Keeps the transmission running efficiently for a longer time. Fixing or replacing faulty shift solenoids. Faulty shift solenoids can lead to erratic gear shifting and slipping. Here's how you can diagnose and replace them. 1. Check for error codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to find any transmission-related error codes. 2. Locate the solenoids. They are usually inside the transmission. 3. Test the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check if they are working correctly. 4. Replace faulty solenoids. If they are faulty, remove them and replace them with new ones. Benefits of replacing shift solenoids. Reliable shifting. Ensures consistent gear shifts. Improved control. You'll have better control over your car's performance. Cost effective. Fixing solenoids is often cheaper than major transmission repairs. Fixing gear slipping issues requires some hands-on work, but with the right steps, you can restore your car's performance and extend the life of your transmission. Preventative maintenance to avoid gear slipping. Maintaining your car's transmission system can save you from experiencing the frustrating issue of gear slipping. By paying attention to a few key areas, you can ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. Regular transmission servicing. Regular transmission servicing is essential to keep your car's transmission system in top shape. Neglecting this can result in performance issues, including gear slipping. Why is regular transmission servicing important? Prevents wear and tear. Routine checks can identify minor issues before they become major problems. Ensures clean transmission fluid. Replacing old fluid with new prevents contaminants from damaging the system. Catches early signs of damage. Early detection can save you from costly repairs down the line. What should transmission servicing include? Fluid check and change. Ensures the fluid is at the correct level and free of debris. Filter replacement. A clean filter keeps the fluid free of particles. System inspection. An expert will look for worn-out parts or leaks in the transmission system. Monitoring driving habits. Your driving habits significantly impact the longevity of your transmission system. Certain habits can either extend its life or lead to premature wear. How can driving habits affect transmission health? Avoid aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration and sudden stops put extra stress on the transmission. Don't overload your vehicle. Carrying excess weight makes the transmission work harder, causing it to wear out faster. Use proper shifting techniques. If you drive a manual car, shift gears smoothly to avoid damaging the clutch and gears. Allow your car to warm up. Especially in colder weather, give your vehicle a few minutes to warm up before driving. This helps the transmission fluid reach the proper temperature for optimal performance. Using high-quality transmission fluids. The quality of the transmission fluid you use can make a big difference in how well your car performs and how long its transmission lasts. Why should you use high-quality transmission fluids? Better lubrication. High-quality fluids provide superior lubrication, reducing friction and wear. Improved temperature control. They help maintain optimal transmission temperature, preventing overheating. Extended transmission lifespan. Using the best fluids can prolong the life of your transmission system. Benefits of high-quality transmission fluids. Smoother shifts. Quality fluid ensures smoother and more reliable gear shifts. Reduced maintenance costs. Prevents common issues that lead to expensive repairs. Enhanced performance. Keeps your car running efficiently and at peak performance. By focusing on regular servicing, adopting better driving habits, and using high-quality transmission fluids, you can prevent the hassle and hazards of gear slipping. Proactive maintenance is key to enjoying a smooth and safe driving experience. Gear slipping during acceleration poses significant safety risks and impacts your car's performance. Timely action and regular maintenance are essential to prevent these issues. Addressing worn clutch plates, managing transmission fluid levels, and fixing damaged gears or solenoids ensures a smooth drive. Regular inspections can catch problems early, saving you from costly repairs later. Proper care and timely fixes keep your vehicle reliable and efficient, making every drive safer and more enjoyable. Prioritize your car's health to maintain peak performance. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.